In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop in Canva. So for this, I'm going to load up a new poster canvas. And then I'm going to go to Elements and use a simple photo as an example. So let's do this first one. I'm just going to drag it and drop it here. So if you want to crop an image in Canva, all we have to do is click on either of those four bars right here that we have at the top, bottom, left, and right, and then we have to drag it. So as you can see, if we want to crop it, we have to click on the left bar and then we drag it to the right, and we can end up wherever we like. So the same goes for the other bars as well. If you want to crop part of the top, you drag it down. If you want to crop part of the bottom, you drag it up, so on and so forth. That is how we crop in Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys and girls next time.